Welcome to another episode of Love Infused Kitchen. On today's episode, I'm going to be doing some meal prepping. One of the items I'm going to be making is fried cauliflower rice. And the second item, I have some green beans that need to be roasted. So we'll get those chopped up and get those in the oven. The vegetables I'm using in the fried cauliflower rice are 8 ounces of baby bella mushrooms. I'm going to use a half of the package, so 6 ounces of shredded carrots. I have a yellow pepper and a green pepper. I have a Vidalia onion and 1 zucchini. When making this fried cauliflower rice recipe, feel free to experiment and use whatever vegetables you like. I've tried several different combinations, and I feel like any type of vegetables that you saute up and pair with the fried rice recipe works really well. I only used half of the onion in the fried cauliflower rice, so the other half is going into the freezer. Now have my vegetables prepped. So I have my green beans ready to go. And then I have my vegetables all prepped for the fried cauliflower rice. So now for the green beans, I'm going to put just a little bit of avocado oil on them. Toss them around. Distribute them evenly. Okay, and then I'm going to put these into the oven at 425 for probably about 20 minutes. Usually it's 15 to 20, so I'll probably check it about 15. Get my fried cauliflower rice going. So I put about a tablespoon of avocado oil into the pan. I'm going to turn the heat to between medium and high. This is a 12-ounce bag of riced cauliflower, so I'm going to add the whole bag. And I did put it in the fridge to thaw it. I'm going to get that going. And then in my other pan, I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of avocado oil. And I'm going to put it between medium high as well. So we'll get that oil heated up. All right, now to our hot wok, I'm going to add the onion, zucchini, green pepper, and yellow pepper. I'll get these sauteed out. Half a bag of shredded carrots. At this point, the cauliflower rice is finished toasting, so I'm going to set it to the back of the stove until it's ready to go into the wok. I'm going to add my 8 ounces of baby Bella mushrooms. I'm going to add just a smidge of water just to help these vegetables along. The green beans are finished. I'm just going to toss them. In this oven, they ended up being in for 18 minutes. This is done, so now we're going to add the cauliflower rice. And distribute it. I'm going to make a hole in the center. I'm going to add a touch of avocado oil. And then I have 2 eggs. I'm going to add those. And get those cooking. Well, that's heating up a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of Celtic sea salt, just a pinch or 2. And just a little bit of pepper. Incorporate the eggs. And then I'm going to add coconut aminos. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of that. I'm And I have, my market didn't have toasted sesame seeds, so I just have regular. It tastes fine. I make this dish all the time. I do prefer toasted sesame oil though. Just a teaspoon of that. And mix that up. All right. The fried cauliflower rice is finished, so we can do a taste test in here just a minute. All right, let's do a little taste test here of the cauliflower fried rice. So good. If you like healthier foods and a healthier version instead of using rice, cauliflower is such a great option. Fantastic. Green beans. Really good as well. Alrighty. Well, thank everyone for watching. If you watched, I appreciate you, especially if you watched all the way through to the end here. Infinite blessings to you. Thank you.